Hey guys, Jordan from nuCamp. Today we're going to be showing you how to change the filter in the Air8 air conditioner.
The air conditioner is located beneath the rear bench on the passenger side. For easier access to the filter, unplug the Air8 and move the cord to the side. Start by removing the pre-filter, followed by the main filter.
Once you've got out the pre-filter and the main filter, you can go ahead and clean them gently because they are delicate with either a brush or a vacuum, and then you can go ahead and replace it back into the air conditioning unit.
On the top of the filter, you'll find text indicating the correct orientation for reinserting it. Once the filter is back in place, reinstall the pre-filter, ensuring the grill faces away from the air conditioner. Finally, don't forget to plug the air conditioner back in when you're done.
Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us here by email at tech@nucamprv.com.